Today, we're gonna fix the worst drone footage ever captured. How do we know it's the worst? Well, there are a few problems. The main one is, I captured this footage.
It wasn't me.
And I'm not really that great of a pilot. But, despite my mediocre piloting skills, I found a way to transform this into this.
Please clap.
And in the process of doing so, I partnered with an AI, and I almost lost my mind. All right, so let's take a look at the footage in question. So in my defense, this guy was flying his, I don't even know what it is, like a lawn chair with a parachute attached. He was flying it unexpectedly. I thought I was gonna have more time to capture a good shot. So I was trying to get in there, kind of frame it so that I could have the sunset and him coming in like, woo! And then it was gonna be awesome.
Yes! That's awesome!
And then, you know, he decided to land instead. So I didn't get any of those shots. I got this. I got this shaky, not framed well. The lighting is all, it's just not great. It's not great. So is there anything we can do to salvage this? I'm here to tell you, there is. So let's fire up Premiere, and I'll create a new sequence from my clip. Now I have my crappy clip loaded right into Premiere. And now I'll immediately replace my clip with an After Effects composition. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know After Effects can be scary, but it's the only way.
Come with me if you want to live.
After Effects. The first step to fix this is to track our subject using stabilized motion. Now we have to choose a track point. I'll choose one of these purple spots on the parachute for this clip, just because it has some high contrast. The outer box here is the analysis area, and the inner box is what we're actually tracking. So this is gonna work really great, up until it doesn't. When it does lose track, we can pause it, go back a few frames, fix the track, manually go forward a few frames, and eventually start it again. Once the track is done, we can press apply. And look at that. Now our subject is perfectly centered in the frame. Just ignore these huge black bars over here. So how do we get rid of these black bars? We could just zoom in a little bit until the black bars go away, but we don't want to do that. You came here for the good stuff. This is where the AI gets involved. Adobe put the AI inside the software.
In the computer? It's so simple.
Sensei! The Content Aware Fill tab is right underneath the Tracker tab, and we can see the transparent part is the part that the AI will imagine for us. For this particular clip, I want to make sure my lighting corrector is set to strong, and then all we have to do is press generate. And then wait, I guess.
Many hours later.
All right, so I let this thing run overnight. Let's see what we got here. That's fine. You know, shit happens. Let's try it again. What the fuck? Remember when I said zooming in was bad?
You didn't come here to zoom in.
Well, hey, maybe I was wrong. Maybe zooming in is actually really awesome. Yeah. So I'll head up to my composition settings and I'll change 4K to HD.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
So now the AI only has to imagine a tiny sliver of the frame. All right, let's try it. Hoo-wee! Look at that! Now this thing is flying.
Do it! Wow.
Here's the final result. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. You. Yes, you.